Right, so we're going to do a room tour of the Duque Hotel in Costa Adeje. We are staying in room E204, which is on the top floor. And this is a one-bedroom apartment. So you've got the living area over to the right. You've got the pull-out bed if you've got a child staying with you. L-shaped couch. Little coffee table. Little dressing table. And your smart TV. Big window over there. And if you turn around, you go into the kitchen area. You've got a little dining table. It's a little bit compact gap to get through here. Quite a lot of appliances in here though. You've got your kettle, coffee maker, hob, microwave. It's a fresh orange juicer. Over here you've got your sink. And then you've got a toaster. Ours currently doesn't work. And you've got the fridge. And in the fridge you do get a little freezer box in there as well. Quite a good size, and it's quite cold. So amenities wise for the kitchen, you've got utensils, some knives, basic cutlery, scissors, grater, self-catering this hotel, so it does include quite a lot of options and pots and pans in there. The hotel also does all-inclusive if you want to go for that option, or if you'd prefer to just go out and make your own meals. You've got the choice. So walking back through here, you've got a little dressing table in the hallway. It's quite a good sized hall. Tall mirror. Going in the bathroom, you've got quite a large sink area, quite a large mirror. Storage space underneath if you want to put anything down there. Quite a lot of towel space. You've got your hairdryer on the wall, one of those pull-out mirrors, and a soap dispenser. And then you've got your shower. It's quite a tall, big, open space shower. And your bathtub there if you want to have a bath. And again, you get a soap dispenser on the wall, towel space, toilet, window, and then go behind the door. There is also more hanging space there for some towels. And then you go into the bedroom. You get two single beds pushed together. Side tables on either side. Little table there for storage. And a fan. Now this room isn't air-conned, but you can opt for an air-conned option if you wish. There's a bit more money. Turning round, you've got wardrobe space there. It's quite a lot of space, quite a lot of storage space. All of our suitcases are in the wardrobe on the right. Clothes and everything's on the one on the left. You've also got a safe in the wardrobe to the right. You don't have to pay for it, it is included. You just pop a code in and then it comes up and it locks. You just have to make sure you remember the code. Got a little phone over there if you want to use that. And then double doors out onto the balcony area. Now our balcony is a mountain view. It's just lovely and peaceful, especially on a morning and on a night. There is a road there, but it's not too busy. Now the balcony is, it's not massive, but I've had smaller. I'll show you. So you've got your clothes rack over there. Obviously putting any costumes or any towels, or if you've done any washing, dry them off. You've got a little seating area there. You double doors back into your bedroom. And then the view again off the balcony. It's a mountain view. Show you down the road. Now all of the bars and restaurants are out to the front of the hotel here. There's just a little shopping area literally just outside the hotel, and if you walk down the bank, it's about a 10-minute walk. It will take you down to the seafront with obviously a lot more bars and restaurants. And then you've got more double doors here. There is a little step though, and this takes you back into the living room area. So quite a spacious apartment, really good if you've got kids. Obviously they can sleep out here. The adults get some space in the bedroom, and then you've got this big window as well. Just open that so you can see. It's got a window, again mountain views, provides a lot of light, which is lovely. There's also these windows for the kitchen and the bathroom, which is open out onto the main pathway. They've got bars on, so if you do want to leave them open when you're out and about, nobody can get in, but you can still air out the apartment. But yeah, overall, I'd say it's a pretty decent hotel, good sized rooms, and I think we'll definitely be back.